Today's info break was produced by agricultural communication students at the University of Guelph.
Poultry producers from across Canada are taking steps to protect their birds from the deadly avian flu virus. Researchers here at the University of Guelph are creating a vaccine to help them.
The avian flu virus is devastating poultry farms in some parts of the world, but scientists say people can't get the virus by eating chicken.
The virus will not affect the consumer because the virus is not present in the muscle or in the meat, or what you are eating are completely entirely safe.
But the avian flu virus is deadly to poultry. That's why Dr. Nog and her team of researchers are developing a vaccine.
My research is on avian viruses. The area we are pursuing is to develop vaccines resistant or protected against the viruses. And when the virulent and deadly virus comes, the chickens would be protected against it.
Dr. Nog says poultry farmers shouldn't count on a vaccine to protect their flocks. So what can poultry farmers do?
Biosecurity, biosecurity, and biosecurity.
That means farmers should take steps to protect their birds, such as restricting access to their farms.
The biosecurity signs should be up at all farms, and these biosecurity signs should be respected by the public.
Researchers continue to develop a vaccine for the avian flu. However, the first line of defense is biosecurity. I'm Christine Eisler, and that's InfoBreak for this week.